Welcome to Rhyme and Storytime Summer Edition. It's board week this week. Let's see what kind of boards we can learn about at the Storytime Park Zoo. Some of the birds we met at the Storytime Park Zoo were the peacock, the toucan, and the snowy owl. Peacock is the male bird, while peahen is the female, and together they are known as peafowl. The offspring are called peachicks. They prefer to reside in farmlands, forests, and warm regions. Only the male peacock has colorful feathers that they use to attract the peahen. Toucans can be found in the tropical forests of South America. They live up to 20 years. Toucans have 8-inch beaks, which is about 1/3 of the bird's total length. The snowy owl has an average lifespan of 10 years. Snowy owls have excellent eyesight, but they can't see their prey when it's underneath snow or a thick layer of plants. To capture these meals, the owl relies on its keen sense of hearing. The wings of snowy owls spread out as much as 5.5 feet, which is as wide as most adults can spread their arms out. Since it's board week, let's make a cool birdhouse. You can buy them at the dollar store and decorate them with paint or markers. You can color your birdhouses with as many colors as you like. Be sure to add some detail to your houses like hearts, flowers, or swirls. You can do this with paint, markers, or paint pens. You can place your birdhouses in your yard. One pretty idea that I found was to hang your birdhouses using twine and trees, like this. What do you think? Looks pretty, doesn't it? What was your favorite bird that we saw today? I sure love learning about birds. Join us next week for community